Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're building the 1956 Chevy Nomad wagon. Engine in this vehicle is the 265 small block V8. And I believe the following year, in 1957, is when they came out with the 283. So this portion of the video is just me putting together the engine block and all the various parts. Later on I'll go into painting it. In 1956, the Chevy Bel Air Series Nomad station wagon two-door for a six-cylinder was $2,574, and the upgrade to the V8 was $2,673. Its weight was 3,400 pounds with the V8, 3,425 with the six-cylinder, and production was 7,886 pieces, or vehicles. Pretty interesting. Killer Kit, which came out in 1997, was the first time that the 56 version of the Chevy Nomad was available in 125 scale. Thought that was pretty interesting. color I was going to paint this model kit. Unfortunately, the can deceived me and there was only about a quarter amount of paint in there. And when I went to use it, of course, the nozzle hadn't been cleaned previously and it was all clogged up. So I went with a different version of gold paint. And this one here originally cost me $2.11, so that'll tell you how long it's been sitting around in my box. So I got it painted up with some Krylon gold, and I didn't take a picture of it, but maybe I'll do it on the next video and let you see it. Come out really nice though. It flowed real well, and I really think you're going to like it when it's finished. Thank you again for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. It's just a little quick update video, and we'll have the final build ready for you in a few. Have a good one. Thanks again.